Good day and welcome to Stock Electronics. We'll be showcasing you all of the Sonoff smart home automation products work. Please like and subscribe to our channel for we will be posting a new video each week. Today we will be showcasing the Sonoff Door Window sensor. Let's get started. This is the Sonoff Door Window sensor. Within the package you will find two sensors, a booklet and a piece of adhesive. The booklet is very important. It will help you set up the device. The Sonoff sensor itself is a small device that can be mounted to your window or door. It uses the 3M adhesive to stick to windows and doors. It is battery operated. It uses AAA batteries. Batteries are not included. There is a red LED on the front of the sensor to indicate when it is triggered or in pairing mode. There is a reset button next to the LED. I will now show you how to install your device. Remember to put batteries in because they are not included. When putting these two devices together, remember that there should be a minimum of 5mm gap. Otherwise the devices might scratch or your door and window might not even close. You use the 3M adhesive to make the device stick to a wall, door or a window. Here's an instructions booklet if you want additional information on the device. And when you purchase a door window sensor, remember that there are two variants. First, the Wi-Fi variant and the RF variant. They are basically the same. The difference is that the Wi-Fi variant does not need an RF bridge to work. You can directly connect to it on the eWeLink app. An RF, you require an RF bridge. When connecting to the door window sensor, keep in mind that this light should be flashing like this. If it's not flashing, use a reset pin and hold the button for 5 seconds. But first we need to install the eWeLink app. You can download it from Play Store. Now that the eWeLink has been installed, I will show you how to set up the device. First of all, tap on the Add button. Then Bluetooth pairing. Make sure that the light on the device is flashing. If it's not, use the reset pin and hold the button for 5 seconds. Select the device you want to connect to. And follow the rest of the on-screen instructions until the installation is finished. Now that the device has been set up, I would like to show you some features. As you can see, in the center is an icon showing the state of the sensor. I just opened the sensor and as you can see, the icon changed. Here you can see the percentage of battery that's remaining in the device. And down here you can arm or disarm your device. Now I will show you how the RF variant is connected. First you will need an RF bridge. Then press the Add button. Then select Alarm. Now you will have to trigger the window and door sensor. As you can see, the device is now added and ready to give you notifications. You can't see the state of the device, nor can you see the battery that's remaining. But just like the other device, you can keep track of your log. As I open and close the device, a log will start to form. As you can see, a log started. You can also use the door window sensor to start a scene. Scenes are used to make Sonoff devices communicate with one another. For example, if you use the door wall switch when it's open, it can trigger a light. You can even name the scenes. Now, whenever I open my door, my light will turn on. You can also make a scene so that when the door closes, the light will go off. Thank you for your time. Please join us next week where we'll be showcasing the brand new Sonoff Smart Curtain Motor.